Hey everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to the Shields Fields. How are you today? What do we have on our agenda today? Today we are planting blueberries. So a couple of weeks ago, I showed you in one of my videos, I believe it was the potato planting video. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out up here. I planted a blueberry bush. That blueberry bush did not survive and I realized what I did wrong. I put nothing in the soil to make it acidic. My fault. We live and we learn. As I've mentioned before, this channel is all about learning as we grow, right? So we're going to be planting a new one today. I'm going to show you what the old one looks like. It's still in the pot. We're going to go ahead and remove that and put another one in there. And I'll also show you the one that I am replacing it with. So let me show you what that looks like. All right, this is the blueberry plant as it is, or do we want to say was? This right here is the blueberry plant. It is completely gone. I've already done a little scratch test at the base and it is completely brown. We tried. However, this is the blueberry plant that we are replacing it with. There's actually two blueberries that came in this. This is the blue crop and this one is a Patriot. The blue crop is what we had before, and that's the one we're going to be planting today. I actually got this 2-pack from Costco, and it is a good sized plant. So let's go ahead and get started. I am very tired today, but if you are a gardener, if you are an aspiring gardener, you will not let any days pass by in this season. It is too much to do. So here's the plant. She's gone, y'all. She is gone. But we don't give up over here, okay? So what are we going to do to make this acidic? We're going to try coffee grounds. That's what we're going to try. I do not have the fertilizer that some people are using to make their soil acidic, but I Googled it. I told you, listen, we learning over here. I Googled it to find out what is it that I have in my house right now that could work to make the soil acidic. And it said coffee grounds. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to try coffee grounds. All right. If it doesn't work, then we will try again. You know what I'm saying? So this is what it said. It said use about 2 cups of coffee ground. Let me show you. I just have my coffee grounds right here in a cup. Oh, it smells good too, y'all. She smells good. It said to sprinkle some coffee grounds in with the soil. And then once you plant the blueberry bush, sprinkle some coffee on the top layer of the soil. That is what we're doing today. This soil is still very loose from planting the blueberry plant. This is my coffee. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it and sprinkle. Not a lot, just a little. Let me bring you closer. All right, so I sprinkled it in there. We are just mixing it up. All right, and this blueberry plant has been sitting in my house for, I would say it's probably been a little over a week now. Let me show you what this plant looks like. This is a good size blueberry plant. It might be about 2 years old, I'm thinking, because I know with blueberries, you don't start to see the fruit for maybe about 2 years. Let's see how deep we have to plant this in here. Haven't seen the roots yet. I want to make sure we get this coffee down as far as we need to. Let's see. All right. So this is the root of the plant. We're going to dig this hole as deep as this bottom part here. Okay, I'm able to just push this with my hand, make it a little deeper. We did a really good job with the soil. That looks good. All right, so we got it in there. Let's cover it up. And the straw that was in there, I just pushed it over to the side. We're going to put it back on there. Our blueberry plant is in there. And then we are just taking some of these coffee grounds and we are going to sprinkle it at the base of this plant. We're going to put the straw back. I might need to add more straw. What I researched did say to make sure that you mulch it really well and then water it in really well for 2 to 3 inches. So that's what we're going to do. I do not want to lose another blueberry plant. Do we think that's enough? I'll do one more. And let me show you. Let me show you what happens when you're not good with measurements. This is what happens when you don't know how to measure. You're learning something about me. But we're going to have straw for days. If you're interested in this, I will add it in the description so that you can purchase it as well. Okay. Our blue crop blueberry plant is planted. I'm going to water this in heavily, but let this be a lesson to us. If we need to acidify our soil, we can use coffee grounds. It also said we could use leaves. It also said we could use pine straw, I believe. If you have these things around your home, use them. And I'll keep you updated on how this goes. Thank you so much for joining me today, everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all the new things that I am planting in my small 7B backyard. I look forward to having you join the family. Again, thank you, and let's get growing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.